क्या लिख रहा है? योर नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ इज लो, पता नहीं। स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, कब नेटवर्क चला जाएगा इनका कोई ठिकाना नहीं।
ठीक है सर।
So I think all have muted their mics. I think I personally feel everyone should unmute their mic. So only thing is that there should not be sound. Otherwise it will be one way. I will be speaking and others will be sleeping. So that should not happen. तो आप लोग अपना माइक ऑन भी कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। केवल ख्याल रखिएगा कि आप लोग कोई उधर से साउंड नहीं आ रहा। That you all should mention. Keep it in mind. Okay. So, hi everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So all are present. That's what I want to listen from you all. Otherwise, this is first experience where I am sitting and I am unable to have eye-to-eye contact with the audience whom I am addressing. So it becomes sometimes difficult. For me, it is a very new experience. New matlab, this is the first time. Once I did one Facebook Live just few days back. So we have been allotted 1 hour time, and the topic is you all know that this is a Directorate of Student Welfare Activities, and I think some of our senior officers are also present during this our Zoom conversation. So I welcome all my university senior officers, my dear teachers, and all others. So before I go into the detail of Directorate of Student Welfare Activities, I would just take maybe another 10-15 minutes to talk about something about teaching profession, teachers, because you all are new. And I remember my days when I joined as an assistant professor in 1989 after my master degree, and in Rajendra Agriculture University. Before going to detail, I just want to say two more things. That we must be thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, and who has he only gave us this vision that can we have such interaction with the newly recruited teachers, and we all agreed readily. And thanks to Dean PG, who is coordinating this, and Deepak ji, private secretary to Vice Chancellor. So all these people have contributed, and of course, because you all are veterinary teachers, so it cannot be without the help and contribution by the Dean of the faculty college. So all these people have contributed immensely, so that we all are here to interact with each other. Now, as I told you, my talk will be in two parts, and I'll share my PowerPoint also. Two parts. One part is regarding teachers and role of teachers in educational institutions, and another part is about Directorate of Student Welfare activities. So I just share. This is my first experience. So if any mistake, anything goes wrong, please bear with us. I hope it is shared.
Yes.
1 minute. So before going to this about this, I just want to know something from you all also. I know this is a crisis period. We all are we are working under stress conditions, sitting in our home, and whole world is suffering. Lakhs of people are already infected, already lakhs are dead. So now in India also it is showing its effect. So with this background, we are conducting this whole exercise. I hope you all are also taking all measures, whatever advices have been given by different ministries, government agencies, all this. So hope all are fine in their home. Is it okay? All are fine?
Yes, sir.
So all should be interactive. I don't want this talk to be one-sided only. It should be interactive. So I will be in between. I will be inquiring something, asking also something from you all. Not asking. I also want to enlighten myself from you all, because this is the topic or the exercise what we are doing for 2 days. You all are also experienced. You all have come from premier institutes. You all have, most of you have done PhDs. And so your learning process is having experience of maybe 27, 28, 30 years. So you all are also well experienced in all aspects. So I just want to commence. What is that student welfare activity when we talk? Whole education scenarios, I personally feel it is like a family. Any institution और is called as educational family. शिक्षा परिवार, हम लोग इसको परिकल्पना करते हैं शिक्षा परिवार का. So when you talk about family, what happens? Suppose you are seeing 3-4 persons are standing somewhere, and once you look towards 3-4 persons, one lady is there, someone, and some gents. What you will feel first thing? Oh, 4 individuals are standing. That's what you will feel first. It will come to your mind. But when you come to know, no, they are related to each other. One person is his uncle, one person his sister. So you're looking towards them, your feeling changes. तो ये दृष्टिकोण बदलना है जिसको बोलते हैं. तो जो शिक्षा परिवार का अगर परिकल्पना करेंगे, education as family, then you're thinking about university, institution, about the teachers, about the guardians, about the students, about non-teaching staff, all these changes. We all know that it is said that हम लोग सभी में एक ही तत्व विराजमान है. जो परम तत्व है सभी में एक ही है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. So we are one, and we are connected through some means. एक ही खून सब में बहता. So if that feeling comes, the whole world you will think as one. Whole society will think as one. Whole education, your university will think one. So there will be some connectivity. So first and foremost thing is any institution, anywhere you are, you must have that feeling, heart-to-heart connectivity, and that will come when you think that it is a family. ये मेरा परिकल्पना है, जिसमें छात्र, शिक्षक, उनके पेरेंट्स और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स, all are part of this family. This is first thing. Now before going, something we all know that you all are well aware that these students whom we are going to, you are going to deal with, they are born after 1999. That means this new millennium. We are old last millennium, or I am still last, but these people are from this millennium. So most were born with a computer in their home and using them by age of 5. Most students. You must have seen your family, any kid, if 1-year kid also starts your smartphone using. So that is their plus point. Then cyber generation. It is also called as cyber generation, the connected generation. The study has shown that 82% of the new generation are always daily online. Average 12 hours per week they are online. But whether those online hours are utilized for their benefits or not, useful purposes or not, that is important. Whether we are able to connect to that. Now, I told you, my whole talk will be in 2 parts. One is about teacher. Already yesterday, our Honorable Vice Chancellor had very detailed talked about teacher, their role, their everything. I will also talk about that because I have been also teacher. As I told you that another thing I forgot, my introduction I should have given earlier. I did my bachelor degree from University of Agriculture Science, Bangalore, And then master degree also, College of Fisheries there, under University of Agriculture Science, Bangalore. Then my PhD is from Rajasthan Agriculture University, Fisheries, Udaipur. And then I joined as assistant professor in 1989 in Rajendra Agriculture University, Pusa. Then 1998, I just joined as associate professor in West Bengal University of Animal and Fisheries Science. And 2006, I became a professor. And I'm here with you all since last 1.5 years as Director of Student Welfare. So, friends, when we talk about teacher, what is teacher? Already it has been told. You all must be knowing also. I'll just talk a little bit differently, something like that. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Now I will appeal you all to kindly look into each word. Whatever today we are discussing, each word has got a lot of meaning, can be explained for hours. So I will not go into detail, but you all are already intellectual enough to understand. So in our Shastra, teacher is popularly known as Guru. In Bharat, Guru is a Sanskrit word made of 2 letters, Gu or Ru. Gu means darkness, Ru means one who removes the darkness. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ शिक्षक का जो रोल है वो क्या है, एक दृष्टिकोण देने का, नया दृष्टि। आज आप जाइए, अंगुलीमाल डाकू का नाम सुने हम लोग, और जब वो वाल्मीकि बने एक ऋषि को मारने गए, ऋषि ने क्या किया, उसको एक दृष्टि दिया, यही किया ना, और विदिन 5 minutes और सम विदिन शॉर्ट पीरियड टाइम ही गॉट चेंज्ड। तो आज जो शिक्षक गुरु का काम है एक दृष्टि देना, हमको देखना है क्या हम वो दृष्टि दे रहे हैं। विवेकानंद ने भी कहा है, क्या कहा, मैं उस पर जाऊंगा। अभी जैसे एक शिक्षक क्या है, मार्गदर्शक है, टॉर्च बियरर। मार्गदर्शक मतलब आप जानते हैं कि राजनीतिक पार्टी ने आजकल एक मार्गदर्शक मंडल बनाया, वो मार्गदर्शक मंडल नहीं ये आप शो केस में रहने वाले मार्गदर्शक, ये मार्गदर्शक रियली में जो आपको रास्ता दिखाता है, नया दृष्टिकोण देता है। तो वो दृष्टिकोण देने का काम करना है, whether you are giving, that is one important. So an all inclusive and comprehensive alignment of the young learner, such an alignment embedded in the personality, the positive elements of character, integrity. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ने कहा है, ignited young minds. Whether we are igniting our young students enough so that they have the urge to learn, इतना ही बताना है उनको, एक प्यास जगे आपके पास, बार बार आए कि हमको चाहिए और चाहिए। आपके पास नहीं जाए, they may go to library, they may search anywhere, but whether we are able to ignite these young minds, that is very important. Now I will talk about when you are starting as teacher, we all are starting. What is that first thing you or keep always in mind? Some reference point. What is our reference point? What is our base or a guidelines? From where you get guidelines, which will guide you? तो हमारे शास्त्रों ने जो धर्म के 10 लक्षण बताए, that is our guiding. I personally. धृति क्षमा दमोस्तस्य शौचय इंद्रिय निग्रह धी विद्या सत्य क्रोधो दशकम धर्म लक्षणम। जो 10 लक्षण है धर्म के, this is our base point. Then always you look to that, whether we are having this, I personally feel, please you set your goal, but please don't worry about your goal. Sometime it will take long time, but whether we are on right path or not, that is important. Whether you are at right path or not, that is more important. Achieving goal is not important, but right path is. और right path से भटक जाएं, when you go here and there, from here you will get guidance. This is the guidance. This is the reference point. Then another thing, always we should keep our mind. This is first thing I told you, your reference basis. The root you must remember. And second thing you must remember is everyone in this country, we all as a teacher also, that we are a citizen of the country which has been blessed as Punya Bhumi, the land of virtue. The land where humanity has attained its highest towards generosity, towards purity, towards calmness, above all, the land of introspection and spirituality. This is Bharat, this is India. So आपको अपने देश के प्रति एक सम्मान गर्व का भाव रखना है. पहला मैंने बताया आपको एक बेस रूट क्या है उसको जानना. दूसरा देश के प्रति, ये सबसे प्रथम है, नेशन फर्स्ट अप्रोच. एंड थर्ड थिंग जो मैं बोलूंगा, that three things are necessary to make every man great. Conviction of the powers of goodness. You must be empowered enough. Yes, I am at right point. How it will come? Now, question will come. You will ask me, sir, how it will come? Telling is easy, but getting is very difficult. It will come through your virtue when you are taking the path of Satya. Satya will come from your some enlightenment. Enlightenment comes through study of any your development of wisdom, and wisdom will come from getting good people surrounding you. You must have you must be surrounded by good people. Then only good wisdom will come, and then only you can do all these things. Otherwise, teaching profession will be like simply going to the class, giving something to the students and coming out. That is not teaching. Whether we are able to change the drishtikon, open the minds and hearts of the students. So three things are necessary to make every mind great. Conviction of the powers of goodness, absence of jealousy and suspicion. Very difficult. इतना easy नहीं है, jealousy and suspicion. आप देखेंगे आपके कलीग है, आपसे आप 2 पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा, आपका कुछ अरे वो तो वैसे. ज्यादातर लोग दुखी हैं दूसरे के को देख करके, अपने से देख के नहीं. ये आप देख लीजिएगा प्रैक्टिकली, आप सोचिएगा. Helping all who are trying to be and do good. This is these three are the important points which will make a man great. Okay, conviction of the powers of goodness, absence of jealousy. Situation. Chandragupta was his. And how Narendra became Vivekananda, it is all due to Paramahansa Thakur Ramakrishna. So we all need to be given, take such a role. Our ideal should be like that. Then only we will be able to change the whole scenario. Shivaji ka Samarth Ramdas. We all know that. But when you talk about modern era now in India, can you tell me some 1-2 good teachers who we all respect whole country? आप बोलिए एक दो नाम.
APJ Abdul Kalam sir.
Very good. और कोई? सो तो नहीं गए आप लोग?
नहीं सर.
नहीं.
Great teacher, and we all must remember. I took some names thinking that you may not be knowing, but some of the names already one name you have told. But another very great person who went to become or occupy the highest position of this country.
Radhakrishnan.
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Yes. Yes.
Teachers Day.
Yes. So Teachers' Day is celebrated because of that. We all must remember that he joined from Andhra Pradesh. He worked in Calcutta University and Bihar. His Karm Bhumi was Bihar also. He was, and then he went to become the president of this country. Teacher का आज
साउंड फिर खत्म हो गया सर।
आ गए सब लोग?
यस सर, हम लोग तो पढ़ रहे हैं सर।
अभी फिर से इसको शेयर करना पड़ेगा।
नेटवर्क आपका स्लो।
मैं तो सोचा था बिना स्लाइड का ही मैं आज कुछ पॉइंट लिखकर बोल देता, लेकिन चलिए। तो when we talk about teacher, when I joined as I don't know, maybe 12-13 who all have joined here, how many of you had thought of becoming teacher? I don't know. Or how many you all have from initial days dreamed of become teacher, or sometimes we are forced to become teacher. I am one of the person who never had dreamed of becoming teacher, but I was forced to become teacher. And I was thinking of something else. From Bihar before me, who all did Bachelor of Fishery Science during that period, they all are now in lakhs and crores. No one did master degree, and no one came to, but I had come. But I don't have any repenting or anything bad about that, because after joining, I took it as challenge, and then I studied, and I learned from everyone, including students. आप ये आंख बंद करके ये सब बंद करके जाएंगे क्लास में. Sometimes students also answers very beautifully. Sometimes other teachers we have to learn. अपने आप को चारों तरफ खिड़की खोल के रखना है. Closed mind से नहीं काम करना है. Then only become. When you all know that I was from Bihar, my English was not good. When I went South India to study, I was not able to speak one sentence also English. Then it was a challenging task for me. But fortunately, the students who study in Bihar, their grammar is good. So because our grammar was good, so what we had to take certain extra measures. My roommate was from UP, and he used to talk only about that Banaras Kasi language, not even Hindi also. And a classroom you have to answer in English, everything. So it was a tough time, but fortunately I had a friend from Mizoram, Nagaland, who they didn't know Hindi. So I used to make friendship with them, and I took them for tea, ice cream. And in between conversation, initial days, I used to speak 1-2 sentences, broken English, and they used to speak something. And slowly we learn. So anyhow, what I mean to say, there is nothing that we cannot learn. Though some of you may have choice, by choice come as teacher or become teacher, but some of you may be forced, maybe circumstances has made you to become teacher. But now you have to abide those. जैसा ऑनरेबल भाई चांस सब ने पहले दिन कहा कि टीचर्स के जो गुण हैं जो आपके उसको अवॉइड करना है सबको. सो व्हाट आई मीन कि आप क्लास में जाएंगे तो आप क्लास में जैसे आज मैं आप लोग को कुछ पावर पॉइंट दे दिया, बता दिया. मेरे जो टीचर थे, कई टीचर, तो आप भी देखे होंगे आपके टीचर नोट्स पहले चलता था, तो वो क्या है कि वो पीला हो गया नोट्स, 30 साल का हो गया, 25 साल से पढ़ा रहा है, वही नोट्स चल रहा है. बट अभी फॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव दिस पावर पॉइंट, लैपटॉप, सो वी आर एबल टू जस्ट नो वन कैन कैच अस कि वही चीज पढ़ा रहे हैं कि दूसरा चीज बदल रहा है. लेकिन इसमें एक एडवांटेज है, यू कैन ऑलवेज अपग्रेड योर लेक्चर्स. आप नेट में जाइए, डिफरेंट बुक्स आर अवेलेबल, यू कैन अपग्रेड। तो अभी आप टीचर की बात करेंगे, तो मैं कल परसों कहीं देख रहा था एक, तो क्या बोला कि आप जैसे एक, हम लोग स्विमिंग के लिए क्या है, स्विमिंग पूल जाते हैं, लेकिन एक गांव में रहने वाला बच्चा या एक मल्लाह का बच्चा, उसको स्विमिंग कोई सिखाने नहीं दिया, उसको क्या करता है, उसको पानी में फेंक दिया और वो स्विमिंग सीख जा रहा है। अभी मैं बहुत अच्छा एक देखा एक प्रेजेंटेशन, जिसमें उसने वहां पर बोला है कि एक साइकिल आपको चलाना सिखाना है तो क्या करना होगा। आई सॉ वन वीडियो और वन प्रेजेंटेशन वेयर your mother or your sister in your childhood, you will take one cycle and he or she will push you, and then you will learn. Once you will fall, second time you will fall, and then you will learn. But teacher like me, how I will teach? I will come to the classroom, I will take a cycle photo, I will tell this is the wheel, this is another wheel, this is chain, these are the handle. Then after 2-3 classes I will teach about cycle. Then whether a student will learn cycle? Never. कौन सा है, आप उसको साइकिल चलाना सिखा दीजिए, आप उसको साइकिल दीजिए, धक्का दीजिए और सीख जाएगा। आपके छोटे बहन भाई, तो आप जो क्लास में बता रहे हैं क्या वो यूजफुल है कि नहीं प्रैक्टिकली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, तो इम्पोर्टेंट, तो इसको ध्यान रखना है। तो रोल ऑफ टीचर्स, आई विल जस्ट से समथिंग एंड देन आई विल कम टू द DSW रोल। Strengthening national identity among the minds of students. आप जब जा रहे हैं क्लास में, every class 5 minutes you should talk. You talk about 45 minutes, 40 minutes about your subject, but 5 minutes you talk about general thing to the students. What is a day-to-day things happening? आज क्या हो रहा है, कल क्या हो रहा है, आप उनसे बात करें. Even TV serial or some, so you get connected with the students, and then also you give something extra to the students. Developing a strong sense of social equality and fraternity among the students. Already Honorable Vice Chancellor ने बात, strong sense of social equality. Already diversified fields we are coming. So that has to be inculcated among the students. मेरे को याद है, मैं जब राजस्थान में PhD करने गया उदयपुर में, and then हॉस्टल में कास्ट के नाम पर स्टूडेंट्स रहते थे। यहाँ भी मैं सुना बिहार में भी वेटनरी कॉलेज में पहले ऐसे, तो एक डीन आए, उन्होंने पूरा सिस्टम ही बदल दिया। Here also everything has been changed because of Honorable Vice Chancellor's vision. We took strong steps and changed it. So developing a strong sense of social equality and fraternity among the students. This is, and that can be learned only when we practice ourselves. Catalytic and very active member of educational change. Very important. Apart from your teaching, please. Teaching is your primary, but apart from that, you have to also do this. If you want to become perfect teacher, you have to inculcate all these things among you. अभी क्या करना है? Educational change, policy में भाग लेना आप. You must take part in policy programs, administration. Already Vice Chancellor said different aspects of administration. You have to take part. Registrar will tell you about that more. Curriculum making. Your role also in curriculum making and changing the curriculum. Bringing reforms in curriculum, not only teaching but bringing reform curriculum, making campus centers of intellectual. क्या हम इस campus को एक lively campus बना सकते हैं? How to make campus more loving, more enjoyable? That is important. Centers of intellectual, social leadership with healthy campus culture and vibrant campus life. Please remember all these words. These all role we have to play. Teachers. आप बोलेंगे सर इतना ज्यादा दे रहे हैं, हम लोग नेशनल आइडेंटिटी भी करेंगे, सोशल इक्वलिटी भी करेंगे, करिकुलम ज्यादा हो गया सर। ज्यादा नहीं, टीचर को ये सब करना पड़ेगा। आप समाज का एक ऑलरेडी आइडियल पर्सन है, समाज आपके तरफ देख रहा है, यू विल हैव टू टेक पार्ट इन दैट। प्रोमोटिंग सिस्टमैटिक रिफॉर्म्स, innovative ideas you have to give to. Already Honorable Vice Chancellor has several times said, come with ideas, come with your working this one. Then developing awareness and actions for sustainable development. This is very important nowadays. When you talk about Corona, now this big point becomes very important. Sustainable development. आर वी गोइंग अबाउट मेटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड? आज हमको 2 लाख 1.5 लाख टीचर पहले कितना मिलता था? कुछ जो पहले तो गुरुकुल में जाते थे, दीक्षा जो मिल गया उससे टीचर का भोजन चलता था। आजकल हम लोग मेटेरियलिस्टिक हो गए। आजकल फेरारी गाड़ी भी लेके कुछ लोग घूम रहे हैं टीचर। तो क्या है, हमको ऐसा होना चाहिए। तो हमको याद है एक टीचर हमारे थे, उनके पास एक मोटरसाइकिल, पूरा लाइफ रह गए मोटरसाइकिल। हम पूसा में रहे, ऐसे भी टीचर रहे जो साइकिल में रिटायर कर गए। मेरा मित्र अभी उन्हीं का लड़का उदयन मुखर्जी, मैं बहुत साल देखा वही साइकिल जो उसके पिताजी यूज करे, ये वही यूज करके अभी भी वो आता था। मैं बोला यार तुम स्कूटर तो लो, अभी भी नहीं लिया। He still uses that cycle. My classmate, Pusa Agriculture. So we have to be very simple living. Then only sustainable environment के प्रति आज कोरोना आया है ना, we all know that in China the wet market, the people's desire to eat wild animals, that has led to going to the caves, cut the forest, and from there this virus has come. And these wild animals are sold in very high premium prices. So that market is very high. These Americans, all those who have money, they want, and that's why they are suffering and others are also suffering. So our role is also to see that sustainable development takes place. Then initiating character building of students at individual level and generating a strong campaign for cleansing of public life. ये भी करना पड़ेगा। हम लोग सब जानते हैं जब भारत में करप्शन हुआ, ये हुआ, जितना भी आप जाके देखिए रिफॉर्म्स, आप चाणक्य को देखिए, पाटलिपुत्र में रिफॉर्म का एजुकेशन गुरुकुल से स्टार्ट हुआ। आप यहाँ पर देखिए, चाहे आप 1975 का एजुकेशन है, ये टीचर्स ने भाग लिया। मैं ये नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन क्लींजिंग ऑफ पब्लिक लाइफ, दिस इज ऑल्सो रोल ऑफ टीचर्स। हमको अपना जीवन भी, अपना पब्लिक लाइफ भी ठीक रखना है, समाज भी ठीक चलेगा। ये भी आपका रोल है। क्या हुआ, फिर शेयर नहीं हो पा रहा। So I will come to now the student welfare activities. What I mean to say, I have already told you about teacher. महात्मा गांधी से किसी ने पूछा एक बार, आप कुछ संदेश दीजिए। महात्मा गांधी ने बोला, मेरा कोई संदेश नहीं, मेरा जीवन ही मेरा संदेश है। क्या हम लोग का जीवन ऐसा रहेगा, वही छात्र के लिए संदेश, समाज के लिए संदेश। दिस इज ग्रेट रोल यू हैव टू प्ले। यू डोंट नीड टू प्रीच एनीवन। Your lifestyle, your working, your gesture, posture, when you come to college campus, when you walk in the society, market, in your family, it should look that आपका जब क्लास में जाएंगे, आपका एक दिव्य आभा, आपका शरीर से एक ऐसा ज्योति निकलेगा, उससे ही लोग प्रभावित होकर के आपको, तो आपका जीवन ही ऐसा होना चाहिए जो कि दूसरे को प्रेरणा दे, दृष्टिकोण दे दे। आप जब आएंगे, आप सवेरे आएंगे, क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, तो आपका शिक्षक का पूरा जीवन ही है, वही एक प्रेरणा का स्रोत है, वही एक मंत्र देता है। तो अभी स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर में मैं कुछ बातें आप लोग के सामने रखूंगा। ये कुछ एक्टिविटीज स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर के साथ हैं, जिसमें आपका रोल भी आने वाले दिनों में होगा। वन इज लिटरेरी एंड स्पोर्ट्स, second hostel and other facilities. We all know that culture and literary activities, some of you must have seen last year when you came, we had cultural programs and other things. Sports also you all had participated, so you all know that. Then hostel and other facilities, that also comes under Directorate of Student Welfare. Then placement center, hostel and other facilities means okay, I'll talk about that later. Then placement and career guidance. We all know that we have now created one placement cell and career guidance also there, career development center also. Then NSS and NCC, एनएसएस का फुल फॉर्म मालूम है ना सबको? हैं? हेलो, सब लोग सो गए क्या?
नेशनल सर्विसेज, नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम्स, नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम,
वेरी गुड। एनसीसी का
नेशनल
कैडेट कोर्स,
नेशनल कैडेट कॉर्प्स।
ओके, ठीक है। मैं ऐसे आप लोग जगह हैं कि सो, इसके लिए मैं देन इमोशनल सपोर्ट, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आप जितना भी क्लास में पढ़ाइएगा, उसके घर में पैसा नहीं है, रात में मेस का फीस देने के लिए नहीं है, कल उसका कॉलेज का फीस दे सकता है कि नहीं, ही मे बी गुड स्टूडेंट, लेकिन आप उसका इमोशनल और साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो नहीं होगा। ये भी बहुत जरूरी है। इन स्कॉलरशिप दैट कम्स also under that. Then we have different kind of scholarship. Bihar government is the only government in the whole country which gives all the students who take admission in agriculture and allied fields 2,000 rupees per month till PhD. It is given 2,000 rupees per month, and this is why it is given, because to attract the talented youth, to attract the talents in this whole veterinary, agriculture, fisheries and all. That's all. Otherwise everyone is going to engineering, medical and all. So to attract that talent. Then discipline and ragging, that also comes. And then educational tour, students tour. If someone wants to go in veterinary in 4th year, we are allowing them to go to tour. Recently they had gone. Some of I think one of your teacher, newly recruited teacher, also went with the student. Then when we talk about social, emotional support, be a support to the student during a crucial part of their growing and to play an important role in deciding their future. हम लोग सभी जानते हैं, all those students who come to us just after 12 they come. So they are very tender in their mind. They may be good students, all are coming. 12 करने के बाद आए हैं, पेरेंट्स से पहली बार बाहर रह रहे हैं, from out of family. That means you have to give support so that they should not feel that they are out of their family. That is important aspect. Then only whatever you teach in class, that will go in their mind. Otherwise, they will just listen and nothing will go in their mind. So acting as mentor for these students and empowering to make informed life choices. आपको मेंटर के रूप में काम करना है, उनको एम्पावर करना है। जैसा मैंने कहा, you have to give दृष्टिकोण, sensitive to the students' feelings. Also you have to be sensitive to feelings, emotionally stable, resilient, and open to diverse views. Open to diverse views also. Someone may come and say that no, in this country Narendra Modi is not good, he is good. This one is not good, that one is good. You have to be open to diverse views. The teacher has to be open to diverse views. So, and then cultural and literary society. We all have, I just want to inform you, we have a college level as well as university level in charges, officer in charges. In cultural literary society, we have Dr. A.K. Jha. He is the senior assistant professor at Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Dairy Technology. He is the officer in charge at university level, and veterinary Dr. R.K. Sharma is the in charge officer. And what are the activities? Cultural literary society, intra-college competition, inter-college competition. We conducted among the students of veterinary college itself, then among the students of dairy technology, among the students of fisheries. So there only first round of competition is conducted. Okay. Then inter-college competition. Then All India Agri Unifest. Many of you might have participated earlier also. All India level. Then for veterinary, fisheries and dairy students, separate some competitions are also conducted. GVP, Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, they are conducting for veterinary students some of the programs. And then ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Central Institute of Fishery Education, Mumbai, for fisheries students. NDRI recently, this year they started for dairy and veterinary students. They wanted to conduct this year, but they could not do it. Then we are also conducting art classes. Then many other things we have conducted under literary cultural programs, literary, especially writers workshop we conducted. Then debate competition we conducted. I think Dushyant was part of one of the debate competition. So many things we have conducted and we are conducting regularly. Now for all these separate rules, I just want to tell you that this whole cultural literary society, we have around 14 subgroups for different events. Okay, event-wise group, where one teacher is named as mentor, and then one student is coordinator. Okay, and then sub-coordinator, co-coordinator, and then members are there for each. Like suppose dance, then songs. So for all that, one teacher is given as in charge, as a mentor, and one student as coordinator, and then another student also can be their co-coordinator and some members. So 14 such groups have been made in this university. Okay. Now sports society we have for sports activities. There also university level in charges are there, college level. University level means we have an officer in charge university, Dr. Rakesh is there from Associate Professor SGIDT, and your college, Dr. Amrendra is looking after sports. Now some of you can take up in coming days also. So more of you can be involved in this. What are the activities we conduct? Intra-college competition, inter-college competition, all India sports are conducted. Veterinary students competition at already I told you. Literary also, some of the sports also at GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology. Then infrastructure for sports, what we have? Badminton courts, we have 4. Veterinary, I am talking about veterinary only. All hostel has got badminton courts. Then volleyball court 2 we have. Table tennis board, each hostel has got 1 table tennis boards. Cricket ground we have, sports complex we have. But these are already there, but we need to develop it further. Modern type. Already we had tendered it for modern sports facilities. 2 times tender was floated, but because of we are not getting the sufficient or required companies or someone should come and take this and construct this. Again, we are going to advertise that tender. Then placement and career guidance. Then where we have now Dr. G.D. Singh is there. He is in charge of this placement and career guidance. Where main role is help in counseling and placement of students, taking help from alumni, industries and government sectors, entrepreneurship development, incubation centers, all these are planned. But already we have placement cell where the placement cell has to develop all these things there. Then NSS and NCC, we have NSS in charge. Dr. Manoj, anatomy department is the NSS in charge. NCC, Dr. G.D. Singh is looking after. 2 years back we started NCC program. So these are all extracurricular activities where students multi-pronged personality development. We don't want a student only to have teaching activities. They should be involved in other, and that helps. विवेकानंद जी ने एक बार कहा था कि आप किताब पढ़ने से ज्यादा आपका जरूरत है फुटबॉल के मैदान में जाइए और फुटबॉल खेलिए, तो वो भी जरूरत है for your whole personality development. Then hostel and other facilities we have in veterinary 3 boys hostel, 1 girl hostel. For dairy and fisheries different hostels are there. Hostel is run under warden. We have warden and superintendents. Of course, new hostel regulation when it will be effective means we will have a chief warden and all superintendents will be called as wardens there. And they have some amount as impressed amount, and from there they spend. And also they submit the proposals and they get money for that their development. Then in hostel mess, each hostel now mess is run by students themselves. But we are already on verge of starting our own mess there, because the quality of mess or food is not up to mark, and then hygienic condition is not up to mark. So for that we are planning to change that. Then what is our role? That is another important thing. I forgot to mention health aspect also. That is also to be looked by Directorate of Student Welfare. I told you hostel and other activities, so health aspect. We already, for doctor, already advertisement has been made. So we will have soon one doctor in our campus, and maybe a small room or other for some sort of medical facilities we are going to develop. Then apart from that, already we have tie up with IGIMS and other local hospitals, where in emergency we send our students. So our this DSW, Directorate of Student Welfare, is the bridge between a student and administration in maintaining the discipline. Another important aspect which I was wanting to say, already for detail you can go through the website. All the details are given. I told you about sports, culture committees, then discipline, NSS, NCC, placement cell, all details are already there in our university website. You all must go through that with photographs and all. Then Director of Student Welfare role is to maintain discipline and act as bridge between a student and administration. Okay. To develop cordial relationship among the various student groups, study students' body and authority. Another important aspect I must mention, that this year we have started student council also. Already Veterinary College has formed a student council where students president is there, their general secretary is there, and other executive committee already announced, already placed in the university website also. Then NSS, many things are being done. I can say that last 1.5 years, NSS activity has been very good in this college. It is all due to, I can say, the support by Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dean, and Dr. Manoj. He is very active. So we have celebrated many things. Some of things are listed here: National Youth Day, World Milk Day, and World No Tobacco Day, World Environment Day, International Day of Yoga, Swachhata Abhiyan. Many times Swachhata Abhiyans are being run. One Mahotsav, tree plantation drive. Already more than 2,000 trees have been planted. Free health camps we have organized. Apart from that, recently Honorable Chief Minister's program of, you know that, Mano Srinkhala, there also our students participated. Then many other activities also being done by them. Then NCC wing has also started. Already one wing. They are already planning to have another NCC group also. Then we have some assimilation program, which we through that we can maintain the good cordial relationship, and a student's body can be fit. Healthy mind only can have good education. So we need to have healthy mind. Then yoga and meditation. Already yoga classes are being run. You all must be knowing. Yoga and meditation. Workshop by famous sports personalities we need to do. Artist motivational lectures. Some of the lectures already conducted. Career advice mentorship. Vivekananda Kendras. So IITs, they run IIMs, Vivekananda Kendra. So we can also start such things. Conducting campus programs, social programs, events, role model sessions that enrich the college experiences. So you all have to give some advice on this. I'll share my PowerPoints with you all. So please come out with your innovative ideas and advice. Encourage exercise of leadership, respect of diversity and traditions, and to make responsible student citizen. Then achievements of some of our Directorate of Student Welfare. University MIME team stood third in All India Agri Unifest in 2019, organized by SD Dantewada Agriculture University, Gujarat. BBC Girls Badminton team stood first in All India Badminton TTN quiz competition organized at GB Pant University of Agriculture Technology. First year girl student from College of Fisheries Kishanganj stood third in All India Fisheries College debate competition held at CIF Mumbai. First year student, just imagine, where most of the awards were won by PGA students, and students from other colleges and university who are old means those colleges are very old. But our college, College of Kishanganj students, first year student got third prize. And through campus interviews, 32 students got placement last year. This year already we had planned, already the Jivika had given their consent. They were supposed to come March last week or April first week. Then this happened, so it could not be conducted. Then regular yoga classes are being continued. So lastly, I can quote one of the, already you told that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is an ideal as a teacher, he himself was considering himself as teacher. That's why he used to go to all the institutes mainly. His last breath was also in one of the educational institutions. So he has said, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. And that's what a good teacher should desire. Your students should remember you, and that's how teachers are known by their students. So Ramakrishna Paramhans को कोई जानता अगर विवेकानंद नहीं होते? जानता? गुरु वशिष्ठ को कोई जानता अगर रामचंद्र जी नहीं होते? गीता अगर कृष्णा नहीं जब बोलते तो कोई उनको कृष्ण वंदे विश्व गुरु बोलता है? नहीं बोलता। इसीलिए टीचर जो है चाणक्य नहीं होता, चंद्रगुप्त को कोई जानता है। That's what I mean to say. You must, greatest honor or biggest honor teacher is to be remembered as teacher only. Lastly, I can say, if thousands and thousands of teachers in this country perform this role with lifelong commitment, then Bharat will be transformed into a strong, prosperous, modern, scientific and confident nation occupying her rightful place in the world. अगर आपके जैसे जो आज आप 14-15 लोग हैं, ऐसे ऐसे हजारों अगर टीचर इस देश में अगर ऐसे अपना अपना लाइफ कमिटमेंट के साथ देश को, समाज को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग, प्रोस्पेरस, मॉडर्न, साइंटिफिक एंड कॉन्फिडेंट नेशन बनाने के लिए कमिटेड लग जाए, तो हमें भारत को फिर से विश्व गुरु बनाने के लिए कोई नहीं हो सकता. So you are the best person to perform. Okay. So with this, I thank you all for patiently listening to me. एक घंटा हो गया. I think I wanted to rush up something. I took little more time. I think we started a little late also. So I now expect from you all something use. If you ask question, I may not be able to answer everything. But you can give your own remarks, suggestions, and many things have been listed there. One word, if you catch that, also give. So please speak out. I have spoken for that.
सर मेरा एक वो है क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे आपने कहा कि बैडमिंटन कोर्ट्स हैं 4 हमारे यहाँ पे, तो अब मुझे नहीं मालूम कि बॉयज हॉस्टल में है और गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में दोनों में है या किसी एक में है, तो क्या ये अच्छा नहीं
दोनों में है, गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में भी है, बॉयज में भी है.
जी जी. तो क्या ये अच्छा नहीं होगा सर कि जैसे दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी में जैसे पंतनगर में है या मथुरा में है, एक सेंट्रल जगह पे बनाया हुआ है, उसमें कई कोर्ट हैं, तो बच्चे आके उसमें खेलते हैं और उनकी क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है. आई मीन पंतनगर तो बेस्ट है इस मामले में. ऐसा अपने कॉलेज में अगर हो जाए तो.
बहुत अच्छा आपका, your question is also right question. Now what I want to say, we have made our own university's vision already made. Already we have submitted our proposals for developing our new campus, new everything. In that already indoor stadium is proposed. Indoor stadium and also outdoor, where with all the facilities. उसमें बैडमिंटन कोर्ट होगा, स्विमिंग पूल होंगे, इंडोर बैडमिंटन कोर्ट्स होंगे, आउटडोर बैडमिंटन, देन आपको वॉलीबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, all things, lawn tennis, everything is proposed. Earlier also I told you that we don't want to wait for that. We had already advertised, tender was floated for development of modern courts in our campus. अभी जैसे हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया, अभी जो प्लेग्राउंड है ना, वहां पे हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई किए थे टेनिस कोर्ट के लिए और एक जहाँ पर टीचर्स भी खेल सके। ऑलरेडी आई एम प्लानिंग, आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर विथ यू ऑल दैट नाउ डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर इज इन फिजियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट। नाउ फिजियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट इज वैकेटेड, वो पूरा पोर्शन ले लेंगे और उसका साइड का जो इंक्लोजर है वहां पे हम लोग एक बैडमिंटन कोर्ट टीचर्स के लिए डेवलप करने स्टूडेंट्स कैन प्ले, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट। एंड देन वहां पे एक हॉल में एक टीटी बोर्ड भी रहेगा वेयर टीचर्स कैन आल्सो कम एंड प्ले। अनदर पॉइंट आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन, नाउ जिम्नाजियम इन हॉस्टल, वन जिम्नाजियम वी आर डेवलपिंग, ऑलरेडी थिंग्स आर ऑन द लाइन। हाँ और बोलिए
सर। हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलिए
सर, इनिशियल स्टेज में हम लोग कैसे सर यूनिवर्सिटी को हेल्प कर सकते हैं अपने एक्टिविटी से? कुछ गाइडलाइन बताइए सर कि हम लोग भविष्य में जब हम लोग पास ये सब बोझ आएगा, ये सब काम करना पड़ेगा, तो अभी से हम लोग कैसे अपने आप को ढालें इस रूप में कि हम लोग भविष्य में ये सबको बोझ उठा सके।
ये जो है ना, आपको आपका कमिटमेंट आपका कितना है किसी चीज के प्रति, दैट कमिटमेंट मेक्स यू। आप कितना अपने आप को उसके प्रति आपका इंटरेस्ट है, ये भी बात है। अभी जैसे दुष्यंत जी मेरे पास आए कि सर मैं पहले ये करता था, वहां पर ये था, मैं यहाँ पर ये करना चाह रहा हूँ, और वो आइडिया लेके आए। Then I was so happy that मैं उनको जानता भी नहीं, he came with ideas and then so you come to us if you have idea, if you have eagerness ना, आपको बोले ना, आपको जब प्यास रहेगी ना, तो प्यासा ऑलरेडी कुआं के पास चला जाता है। So you will go to the place and you will learn yourself. There is nothing that everything you need to have inculcated earlier. तो हो जाएगा, आप चिंता मत करिए, आइए मेरे पास।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
और कोई कुछ ज्यादा हो गया टाइम नहीं, इसलिए सबको होगा कि चाय वाय पिए फिर।
हेलो सर।
हाँ हाँ
सर, ये एनसीसी आपने कहा कि हमारे यहाँ है, लेकिन मैंने कभी देखा नहीं इस तरह की कोई एक्टिविटी। इवन मार्च पास भी जब कोई कल्चरल प्रोग्राम होता है तो बच्चे बड़े कैजुअल वे में करते हैं, तो क्या स्टेटस है?
फिर से बोलिए।
हेलो
प्लीज अगेन।
मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि आपने कहा कि एनसीसी की फैसिलिटी है हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में, लेकिन मैंने अभी तक कुछ ऐसा देखा नहीं सर कि बच्चे कभी एनसीसी की ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो या क्या है, तो किस स्टेज में है सर वो एनसीसी का? क्योंकि कभी देखा मैंने मार्च पास कर बच्चों को।
One battalion is there, or Dr. GD Singh is taking here. There used to be regular training here. I think when you came, some of the students had gone for NCC training camp also.
Okay.
And
हेलो,
आवाज नहीं आ रही
सर, लिफ्ट कर
तो
देना।
पहले तो मैं इनको डेली देखता था कि हमारा वो जो ग्राउंड है ना बीच में, उसको एनसीसी ग्राउंड ही बोलते हैं। सो द स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू बी देयर पूरा एनसीसी ड्रेस में। इधर पता नहीं, अभी कुछ दिन पहले ट्रेनिंग में गए वो लोग। रिसेंटली क्या हुआ है, वो जीडीसी, हाँ वेटनरी कॉलेज में ही यूनिट है, अभी डेयरी में नहीं है और फिशरीज में भी नहीं है, ओनली वेटनरी कॉलेज हैज गॉट।
नहीं सर, कई जगह ऐसा है आरएनवी की यूनिट ही है अलग से एनसीसी की। मैक्सिमम कॉलेजेस में दे आर हैविंग हॉर्सेस एंड अदर थिंग्स, बट कैन वी डेवलप अ एनसीसी?
नहीं, उसका भी ऑलरेडी प्रपोजल ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड है आरवीसी का। अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा। ऑलरेडी दैट प्रपोजल हैज बीन सबमिटेड। डॉक्टर जीडी सिंह, इवन ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर, इज आफ्टर दैट and he is taking his own personal interest to see that those given to here. Already it is in advanced stage, final stage.
एक क्वेश्चन क्या सर, मैं अपना व्यू रखना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो कल्चरल और लिटरेरी और स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी है, इसका एक होल कैलेंडर पूरा साल का डेवलप कर दिया जाए, उसी के अनुसार रूटीनली काम हो तो ये ज्यादा बेटर होगा। बीच बीच में अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा है तो वो कर सकते हैं। तो इससे हमारा एक होल कैलेंडर बना रहेगा, जिससे टीचिंग और अदर एक्टिविटी भी नहीं प्रभावित होगी, और पहले से ही स्टूडेंट और टीचर दोनों प्रिपेयर रहेंगे सर।
You are right. Calendar was made earlier. It was there, but this year we were to finalize. अभी करने वाले थे कि ये सब हो गया. We will do it certainly. Good suggestion. अच्छा सर.
सर एक सजेशन मेरा सर एक मतलब लास्ट के जैसे इंटर्नशिप होता है सर, उसके पहले या बाद में एक 6 महीने का आप एक क्लासरूम वर्क कर सकते हैं। जो भी स्टूडेंट जहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, किसी को अगर पीजी करना है तो उसके लिए, अगर कोई वेटनरी गवर्नमेंट में जाना चाहता है गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए, तो उसके प्रिपरेशन के लिए और एक गाइडेंस के लिए सर 6 महीने क्लासेज हो। अगर उसकी अगर कोई आर्मी में जाना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए क्लासेज हो, तो उसके लिए ज्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा। अगर किसी को कहीं जाना है, अगर
कैरियर गाइडेंस,
यस सर,
अच्छा आपका है कैरियर गाइडेंस
जी। और उसके लिए क्लासेज लें, अगर हम लोग क्लासेज लें, अगर हम लोग का भी बहुत सारा सर, हम लोग तो बहुत तैयारी किए हैं, तो उसके लिए हम लोग को अगर इन्वॉल्व किया जाए कि क्लासेज लेने के लिए, अगर कोई बीपीएससी में जाना चाहते हैं तो क्या क्वेश्चन पूछता है, अगर वेटनरी साइंस रखते हैं तो क्या क्वेश्चन पूछता है, क्या नहीं पूछता है, उसको हम लोग पता है, हम लोग बहुत तैयारी किए हैं सबका। तो एक मैंने 6 महीने का
अच्छा आपका सजेशन है,
यस सर, और बहुत उसको भविष्य में बहुत फायदा
कीप इन माइंड, गुड सजेशन,
यस सर, थैंक यू
एकदम। हो गया कुछ? कोई और बोलना चाह रहे थे कि खत्म करें? प्रमोद जी कुछ?
ओके सर।
सर
लेडीज में से कुछ नहीं कोई बोलना है? सर मेरा बैडमिंटन से रिलेटेड पॉइंट था, सर मेरा बैडमिंटन से रिलेटेड पॉइंट था, वो मैंने और आलोक ने कई बार डिस्कस किया था एक बैडमिंटन कोर्ट के लिए, तो उन्होंने वो पॉइंट रख दिया है। एंड सर मेरी एक थिंकिंग आई जब मैंने यहाँ के बच्चों से इंटरेक्ट किया कि सर यहाँ पे जो गर्ल्स वर्सेस बॉयज जो सोशल इंटरेक्शन है वो सर थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव और बेटर किया जा सकता है। तो सर जब फर्स्ट ईयर आए तो जब हम ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम करें तो हम कुछ ऐसे एक्टिविटीज करें जिससे उनका सोशल इंटरेक्शन एक पॉजिटिव वे में इंक्रीज हो सर, वो सर प्रैक्टिस किया जा सकता है। क्योंकि सर यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा एक डिमार्केशन है कि ये गर्ल्स का रो है, ये बॉयज का रो है, या फिर सर वो जो वो है मिंगलिंग ऑफ क्राउड है सर, वो प्रॉपर नहीं है, यहाँ पे एक बैरियर बना हुआ है। तो सर वो सोशल इंटरेक्शन अगर थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज किया जाए तो एज अ पर्सनालिटी भी उनका अच्छा बेटर डेवलप हो सकता है सर।
गुड, पॉजिटिव सोशल इंटरेक्शन, आई हैव नोटेड डाउन, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
सर एक मेरा सजेशन था सर कि जैसे हम लोग यूजी करते थे तो हमारे यहाँ एक हॉस्टल डे होता था साल में।
yes, sir.
तो हॉस्टल डे में क्या होता था, टीचर्स वगैरह आते थे सभी लोग, और बच्चों के रूम एक रूम में कैसे उन्होंने साफ सफाई करी है, कैसे क्या वो कैसे रहते हैं, बुक्स कैसे रखी हुई हैं या कितनी है, ये सभी कुछ का इवेल्युएशन करके और फिर अवार्ड मिलता था उनको। तो इससे इनकरेज होता था, हम लोग भी वेट करते थे कि नहीं हॉस्टल डे आने वाला है, सब कुछ ये सब करना है।
कौन बोला है? मैं नाम नहीं पता चल रहा। Who is asking this question? आलोक, ठीक है ठीक है।
तो ये हॉस्टल डे
नहीं, हम लोग मैं बता दूं, मैं बंगाल में आई वाज फॉर 6 years आई वाज हॉस्टल इंचार्ज एंड 6 years वी कंडक्टेड हॉस्टल डे एंड कंपटीशन लॉबी अमंग द लॉबीज रूम्स एंड बंगाल का कल्चर है ना, तो इतना बढ़िया से सजाते थे, वॉल में लिखना, एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू गिव प्राइजेस and that was very practical, and I wanted this to happen here. I request the wardens, superintendents to take initiatives. Maybe some of you may have to be involved in this now coming days. So मैं इसको कोशिश करूँगा आप लोग को involve करके to see that I gave this idea, I wanted this to happen, but unfortunately it could not happen. तो अभी कैसे करना है इसको आगे चल के इस पर वर्कआउट करें। Good idea. ठीक है, देन आपका 12 बजे से फिर दूसरा टॉक स्टार्ट होगा। सो वील हैव सम अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी इंटरेक्शन। आई विल वेलकम यू ऑल टू कम टू माय चैम्बर एनी टाइम। लेट अस डिस्कस सो दैट वी कैन मेक दिस कैंपस लाइफ फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, मोर वाइब्रेंट, बेटर and interesting. So thank you everyone and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.